Cause I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this but you are true to this, welcome back for another video. So today, as you can already see, I'm here with another wig install, and this one so freaking easy, you guys. Literally 2 seconds, you out the door, okay? And it's just freaking cute. And I love a wig that, honey, you don't gotta worry about nothing. You don't gotta melt any lace. You don't gotta worry about no leave out. You don't gotta worry about nothing. Like, your whole head is protected and you can just go. That's my kind of wig any day. So if you guys want to know more about this wig, see what it's like fresh out the box, see how easy it is to install, and get just all the details, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so this is what your wig comes in. How freaking cute is this box? Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. I really wish this was like in like a bag that I could use or something. But this is so freaking cute. So of course I want to say a So of course I want to say a super huge thank you to Gorgius Wigs for sponsoring today's video. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's spelled Gorgius, but I'm pretty sure it's gorgeous, which so fitting, right? So freaking cute. So obviously you will receive your wig, and it does come in this really nice thick, this is like the thickest quality like duster bag that I've ever gotten for a wig before, and it has a Gorgius logo on there, and your wig will be in there. So let me show you some other goodies that we got before we go to that. So of course they sent a few wig caps, and these are in the tan color, which I am going to use one of these today because yeah. And then of course you get this little goodie bag also. I'm just loving that. This is so freaking cute, and it says Gorgius on there also. And I love little bags like these because I actually use them like when I travel. I would actually like put all my like hair tool accessories in there, you know, keep it separated from everything. So I'm gonna just dump everything in this box really quick. So of course you get a edge brush. Can never have too many of these, and this is a pretty good density because sometimes you're like too soft and girl, what am I gonna do with that? But this is actually pretty good, cute. Hook your girl up with some bobby pins. Can never have enough of that as well. You also have a I don't know why I literally can never say this whenever I'm doing an unboxing, the elastic band to, you know, if you want that look. You have a few, if I can get this together, you have a few duck belt clips and a tweezer. So they literally give you everything you will possibly need for a wig slay, regardless of what kind of wig you get. So I love that. Now for this hair, so this is the wig. Obviously, let me take the mesh protector off that it comes in, and I really hope this like looks good because I've tried a curly bang style before. Granted, I was the one that like did it and cut it in. It was always giving pinky. This your cousin, like it was always giving him. But let's just pray and hope, because I'm going out like immediately after this video. I need this to look right, okay? So this is what the wig looks like. Oh, it already looks so cute. It already looks so cute. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like fresh out the box. This is the natural. I'm so happy because I thought it's gonna look so good. So this is the natural texture of the hair. Oh my god. I'm so excited because y'all, this is about to be like the perfect throw on wig. Like girl, you don't got no edges to worry about, no leave out to nothing. You don't gotta melt, you don't gotta do nothing. You just literally gotta put it on your head. That's it. Like girl, gorgeous. I needed this like from the beginning of the summer, girl. You've been holding out. So anyways, this is the construction of the cap. So you have the 2 combs on the side to make sure that you get a really secure fit. It already comes with an elastic band already like sewed on, attached. Thank you for being so thoughtful. Like, and you get an extra one too, but y'all, thank you for this. I really appreciate it because not everybody knows how to sew, girl. And you also get a comb in the back, and obviously it comes with the more attachments on the side. So baby, I just love a wig that is like, sis, I'm gonna hold you down, rain, shine, or snow, like, you know, windy or not. The girl, you could be in a hurricane, I'm gonna hold you. I love me a wig that's gonna hold me down. Okay, sis? Ah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this out. Okay. No, Subrena gets in those moments, sweetie, I don't want to talk to my hair. I don't want to see my hair. I don't want to touch my hair. I don't want to do nothing with my hair. Girl, if I could, I wouldn't even be your friend sometimes, you know? So I love me a throw on and go, and like literally my entire head is protected. I don't got to worry about my edges trying to melt, nothing. I'm stressing this out because I don't know if y'all are like me, but these tend to give me a headache. And I was like, first of all, I legit don't have a big head. Like, I really don't. So I don't be understanding why, like, why do I have a headache? My hair is literally just in 2 pigtails that I've been wearing all week because your girl been in the gym. She's not with gym tonight. She's at no gym tonight. I've been there. And I don't know who I thought I was, but y'all, I had to make me some iced coffee just to make sure that I was gonna make it through the night. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to your 30s. Welcome to your 30s, ladies. All right, so that's why I have all this energy right now, because the coffee is coffeeing, okay? So this is what it looks like, just applied on, nothing done to it. I feel like my forehead is a little bit too small for it. So before I cut it, all right, so this is what, wait, because I can't even see y'all. I'm definitely gonna have to cut the bangs, but I also haven't, I want to like style it before I cut it. But this is what it's looking like fresh out the box. So, and we're gonna style this. I don't want to wet it because I feel like I shouldn't have to. So I'm just gonna go on with some mousse. This is the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Mousse. This is not my favorite mousse. I'm just trying to use it up because I bought it. But I really don't like this because it's like, it's sticky. And I feel like it stays sticky for a while. It doesn't make sense. But I'm gonna put some of this in here to just activate the curls some more. And one thing I gotta say about the color, because this is a natural color, I did not dye the wig. This is the wig straight out the box. And you guys know I typically always have to dye the hair because it's always like super brown. Y'all, this is giving like a natural like black, and I'm here for it. Because at this point I feel like y'all should know it's mainly black people that be buying y'all wigs. Why is the hair brown? And it don't even be dark brown, it be brown. Wig companies, Gorgius obviously understood the assignment. I'm gonna need the rest of y'all to understand the assignment. But it's the way these curls are coming to life. Like, I didn't do this, so do you guys see the natural curls like fresh out the box? And then you guys can see what it's giving on this side now that I'm putting the mousse in it and like scrunch. It's like basically activating the curls more because it's making it definitely a lot curlier. Okay, I'm feeling this. It's looking real good, but yeah, the bangs, we're gonna have to snip on some of these. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is the finished product. So this is what it's looking like, and I freaking love this. So all the wig details will be down below, but I'll go ahead and give you the specs really quick. So this is their curly shag wig. This is in 10 inches, which is perfect because it stops right above your shoulders. It's a natural color, but as you guys can see, like I said, it's very like, it's a natural black. There's nothing brown about this wig at all, which I freaking love because honestly, I hate having to dye every single wig I get. So whenever I get a wig company that natural is truly like a natural black and not like super brown, I'm always grateful for that. This is a wig cap size medium, and this fits my head perfectly. You saw that my braids are super flat, like there's no lumps, anything. This is the back of the hair, like there's no extra cap or anything like that. Yeah, so as you can see, it's super friggin' full. It's so cute. As you can see with the mousse, the curls definitely activated more. There's definitely more defined. So again, all the details on this wig will be down below, and of course you guys know I hooked you up with a coupon code. Hold up. So if you are loving this wig and you want to grab one for yourself, because as you can see, it's literally so simple, so easy, you don't have to worry about anything. It's literally a throw on and go wig, and I love wigs like this. If you're thinking about trying out this wig for yourself, of course you guys know I hooked y'all up. You can use the coupon code Subrena and you will get 17% off of your order. Make sure you check the description box. All the links, all the info will be down there. Definitely thumbs up this video if you're liking this look. If you are curly hair again, like I love this. Is so cute. This is so cute. And you know what, I should probably like tease the bang area some more, but this is given. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy, super quick wig install video. Definitely thumbs up this video if you did, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, loves.